Alright, so I wanted to show you guys a trick on how to get rid of all this oxidation on old interiors of these cars. This is an old 95 Jeep Wrangler, and it doesn't matter what you do or how you try to wipe it clean, it doesn't seem to come off. And the trick to making it perfect and making it look just like this side takes about 2 or 3 minutes to do, and it's super simple. First thing I'll do is I'm going to scrub this whole thing clean with some soap and water. Alright, so I grabbed 409. I didn't have time to put a bucket of water out with some soap, but we'll try and get as much dirt off of here as possible. Seems like the oxidation goes away with just a simple cleaning, but in reality what happens is when it dries it just comes back. And so the way we'll clean this up is with a propane torch, believe it or not. So put it on a nice cool flame. You don't want it too hot. And then all you have to do, I'll move this a little closer here. All you need to do is just paint. And you gotta move fast enough so you're not melting anything. For whatever reason, the heat from this torch gets rid of the oxidation. Out of batteries, but there you have it. Fixes up your door quite nicely, and works better than anything I've ever found. So that was a pretty good trick. I have to thank the guy at the junkyard for teaching it to me. Now, I tried it on the dash here and it didn't work, so it must be a different material. But anyway, give it a shot.